Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the latest and greatest from SNAP benefits. We're also going to talk about summer EBTs. We have WIC, we have replacement SNAP, and a whole lot more. So if you want to know what's going on in the lovely world of EBT, SNAP benefits, Sunbucks, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you love me bringing this content to you. Now, guys, you can try out Amazon Prime free for 30 days by clicking the link in the cards, or I'll put it down in the description box as well. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it because exciting news. Before I reveal that exciting news, we're going to go ahead and head over to our Sunbucks because some states are still waiting. Well, in Missouri, guys, they have changed them to winter bucks. That's what people are saying online because Missouri they're still waiting for their payments. And as of right now, they're supposed to be prioritizing foster care children first, and then it will start going out to everyone else. So foster care and children with disabilities should have received them or should be getting them. Everyone else mid-October to November. So fall bucks, winter bucks. Let me know if you're still waiting on your Sunbucks, but don't forget you can call the Sunbucks hotlines in different states and check the status. All right, let's go ahead and move on to a win for my seasoned seniors because SNAP recipients 60 or older and people with disabilities will now see their state supplement increase. That is right, guys. The $100 minimum is back, but it's only for, as of right now, in New Mexico. So the minimum benefit will increase from $32 to $100. This change will impact over 26,000 households statewide. New Mexico said they're going to use their general funds to pay for it. The state will also expand its renewal and certification period for benefits from 12 months now to 36 months. So 3 years for SNAP recipients in 3 different categories. So if you're 60 or older, if you're disabled, or those with no earned income. Additionally, New Mexico is going to have where SNAP eligibility will increase from 165% to 200% of the federal poverty limit for all SNAP recipients. So this will result in about 68,000 more New Mexico families being eligible for welfare as well. So for example, if you're a family of 4, if your gross monthly income is up to $5,200, you may now qualify for SNAP benefits provided all the other eligible criteria is met as well. So previously, I think you only can make $4,200 or less, but now they have increased it as well. So this is a win. I want to say in Pennsylvania, or was another state that was doing $100 SNAP minimum. I know New York is pushing for that $100 SNAP minimum as well, but hey, we're moving on up. Let me know what you think, seasoned seniors, because this is a win. Now, speaking of increase, we're headed to Hawaii, where 14,000 more Hawaiian families may be eligible for SNAP benefits under their new rules. So Hawaii is going to eliminate the net income limit for the SNAP program, which could extend benefits from 13,000 to 14,000 more households throughout the state by next year. So this is going to be a huge relief for working class families. And that's what states are now trying to do, is get that middle class to be able to help them. But the governor stated that those households would be eligible for an average of $3,200 a year in SNAP benefits. Net income in SNAP is defined as the total monthly household income after deducting non-food household expenses such as rent, utility, medical costs, childcare costs, and others as well. So they're going to eliminate those things to be able to factor in. So by them removing that net income test, Hawaii would provide a huge benefit to families in need with minimal cost to the state. So this change would also eliminate arbitrary unfairness from the tax or the transfer system to ensure that those who want to earn more money will gain it rather than lose it as a result of their efforts. So by them removing that, you can still now make a little bit more money and still be able to receive some of your SNAP benefits as well. So I think this is a win as well. So 2 wins. Next, let's go ahead and head over to Georgia. In Georgia, families are still frustrated with their food stamp program delays. So we all know that SNAP renewal applications are supposed to process the request within 30 days. However, it's been reported that the backlog issues for the department has faced to help parents feed their children. And people said there are over 24,000 applications for them to catch up on statewide. Now, these problems have gone on for more than a year. And it took people years to just get one child added to their SNAP benefits. So the state was still paying out people like $23 in the SNAP minimum, even though they had children. Now, DHS said that they're currently experiencing more costs than normal right now, which means callers may have longer wait times. And they said many callers are looking to find out the status of their benefits. But DHS says people that have certified or recertified on or after November 18th of 2023, you can take advantage of the longer certification periods. However, you must properly fill out your periodic reporting form to avoid any further problems. So it sounds like they're not giving us an answer to the issues. It's just make sure you fill out your forms correctly. And if you're not, then you probably won't be able to talk to anyone or get a hold of anyone at this moment. Let me know, all my Georgia peaches, if you're still waiting on your SNAP benefits and if you had issues with them and their wait time. Guys, Disaster SNAP is available in Louisiana and certain parishes that have been affected by Hurricane Francine. So the Louisiana Department of Children and Family Services received federal approval on September 20th for multiple forms of disaster food assistance and Hurricane Francine affected families. The USDA Food and Nutrition Services authorized Disaster SNAP in 8 parishes, automatically SNAP replacement benefits in 4 parishes, so check your card, and then automatic SNAP supplements in 6 parishes as well, so where they automatically put the money on there. Now, current SNAP recipients, you're not eligible to apply for Disaster SNAP, but you would qualify for the SNAP replacement benefits, as well as the Disaster SNAP interviews will start on Wednesday, September 25th. According to the Food and Nutrition Guidelines, Disaster SNAP operations cannot begin until all other federal disaster food programs in a parish has ended. So residents in the 8 approved parishes, you can call right now where they have like the Louisiana Help You, which is a customer service center, and make sure you get on there to be scheduled for an interview as well. Now, guys, don't forget also in October, the annual SNAP increase will start as well. I mean, it's nothing to get really excited about. It's $2, but hey, it's more than what we had, all right? And this is what we have. This is what's going on in SNAP. The biggest thing I can say, guys, is don't get rid of your old cards, but also keep your eyes out for new cards. And yeah, that's all we have. Definitely grab you some Amazon Prime. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.